What's going on, guys? Ropski here, bringing you another unboxing of a pretty cool iPhone case. This is actually for the iPhone 4 and 4S. They do have a iPhone 5 version, but since I'm rocking the iPhone 4S still, I picked this up. So big shout out to LifeProof for providing us a ton of these cases, especially one for my iPhone 4S over at the PepCom event. They provided us with some I believe three different cases and three different accessories for the iPad 2nd generation, 3rd generation, 4th generation, but that is actually over to one of our writers at Official RTV. He is officially testing it now, so make sure to head on over to the site for the full reviews of those within the coming days. But LifeProof basically creates case for your everyday use of, just in case for any natural disasters, or if you're really living that hardcore life. Like it says here, it's waterproof, dirtproof, snowproof, shockproof. This thing will take falls. I've seen demos, and this is just dumped in water with your iPhone in it, and it's still working fine. So, like I said, they also have an iPad version, but this is the iPhone 4S version. This is the back, dirtproof, waterproof, ice, snow, sleet, cold, swim, surf, rain, drinks. If you like to drink a lot and you kind of spill your beer or whatever it is on your phone, whether you're at the bar and stuff, I think this will be great for you. But I've seen it in person. I've seen it when it's broken down, and it's a ton of pieces put together. It's what they call 7 layers of protection, and it's just insane. Like over here, you can kind of see the different layers. That it's 10.8 millimeters main body, width or whatever. So we're just going to get straight to it. Here is the instructions on how to, put in this. But before putting it in, it actually, you'll have to go through some tests and make sure that there is no leakage of water inside your case. Because if not, then your phone would be screwed. So they do recommend to watch a tutorial video on their website to make sure you actually sealed off the case right. Now, this thing is giving me a little trouble, so with the power of the magic of editing, we're just gonna skip this. Alright, and there we go. Now that we actually have that opened, we're just gonna pop out the case. Now, I've actually heard of LifeProof, and I've seen their cases, but this is the first time I'm actually trying it out for myself. So here's the case, and what's a cool thing is that they also provide a gold-plated 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphones. So they actually do cover up the headphones. Oh man, this thing is already broken in pieces. But they do protect the headphones. So in order for, just in case your headphones don't fit with the case when it's sealed, you can actually plug this in and it becomes an extender, and you can just plug in your regular headphones here. So it's a pretty neat feature and everything. I think a lot of people can benefit off of that, especially when using this case. Has a plastic screen right here. You can kind of see the glaring of it. So this is the front cover. This is where your iPhone 4 or 4S would be, right here. You get a cleaning cloth to clean off your screen before placing it in. Here is the back pieces. Now, here is the checklist. You have to make sure that you read through all this, and it provides a link for you to watch the video that I mentioned earlier. Just to go through like some installation checklist, it says study the instructions showing off in the video that they provide there. Water test the case prior to installing the phone. Correctly install the phone in the case and make sure all ports and seams are tightly closed. And there's a daily checklist just to make sure that no seals are broken and everything like that. So this looks like a pretty heavy duty case. It's kind of bendable and stuff, but I think once it's sealed up, it'll probably, do the trick. I don't think they'll just be selling anything like that. So once you actually have this case, you are able to accessorize it. They had a few at the PepCom show, but as you can see here, they have a bike and bar mount, armbands for if you're going to the gym, a life jacket. The life jacket's actually pretty cool. It makes your iPhone float. So if you're at a pool and everything, you can actually just sit your iPhone and just let it float in the water, and then you can just grab it and text whatever or tweet, and your standard good old belt clip. So that was it. This is the LifeProof case for the iPhone 4 and 4S. Like I said, it is available for the iPhone 5, iPad 2, iPad 3rd generation, iPad 4th generation, but I'm going to be testing this out. I'm going to be completely sealing this up, and I don't know why it's not focusing, but let's see if we can grab that. There you go. So there you go, guys. It's a pretty neat case and everything like that. So once again, thank you to LifeProof. Met them at PepCom here in New York City. I'm actually going to install this and probably show off some videos and actually dunk my phone into a giant bowl of water for you guys. So once again, if you guys like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button to be notified of any other future unboxings, reviews, or demos and stuff like that. Event coverage, I have CES coming up, and I will be there, so make sure to click the subscribe button to be notified of all the interviews that I do, everything that gets covered at CES. Click that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.